Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to post a Facebook live events on your feed. Go to your Chrome and click on create post and click it three dots for more options and find live events. Click on live events. Okay. Click on family. I choose family and I clicked on child. It will be load. Okay, select the date and post and click on share. It will be load to post, and these are many options. You can add photos, you can add tag friends and location and click to post to your feed. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.